Hello, in this video we'll be comparing iPhone 15 with Samsung Galaxy S23 and all of the camera options. On the right we have Samsung Galaxy S23 and on the left we have iPhone 15, and here is the default camera app open on both of them. Now inside we have the photo mode, and that is the basic function. On the Samsung Galaxy you have a portrait. On iPhone you also get the portrait option. We can record the videos, the same as on the iPhone. And when we go to more on the Samsung Galaxy, here's where it actually wins. There's multiple different options that we can use, like expert RAW, pro mode, pro video, night, food, panorama, super slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, director's view, and a single take. And when it comes to the iPhone, we don't get as much options, and here we can just go for the photo mode, adjust the zoom. You can also enable or disable HEIF max and enable or disable the light view, and also adjust the brightness by clicking on the screen, and here you can adjust that slider. And when we go to our Samsung, we can go for the Pro mode, and here you will get a lot of more options like ISO, speed, evaluation, focus, and the white balance. But we can also get some of these options in the portrait mode. We can adjust the light filter, and that is basically it. You can change the aperture here in the F, and that is all of the camera options you get on both of the devices. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.